Welcome to Bing Bang Profits software and training. I'm here to show you exactly what you're getting into. So here is the training part of the software access that you're going to be getting. First, you need to go through all my training that you're going to be going through in terms of creating your first Bing Ads account and finding a campaign, and plus going through a case study with me so you can't skip this zone. So once you go through all those videos that I have for you, which is a series of videos showing you from beginning to end exactly with 24 hours proof after that, and once you're done with that, you're going to go to the next video, etc., and up until you get to the third module where you'll be getting access with Bing Bang Profit software plus another extra case study that you can follow along with, etc. Now, in order to get access, you're gonna have to go through the videos once again, and then once we're inside, I'm gonna show you exactly, like in 60 seconds, that we can create an ad to your Bing Ads account. And what we're doing here is that we're inside our Bing Bang Profit software. We're gonna go to our Bing competition, and here we're gonna search for the keyword that we're promoting for. And right now I'm promoting surveys, and as soon as I click create and search and explored for the specific country USA, it spit out all these winning ads that are running right now on Bing. And for me, this is specifically for the niche that I'm working with. This is survey, so I'm going to go ahead and choose one that is similar to what I can be using in my campaign. And I'm going to go ahead and either export in a CSV file or go ahead and create using the campaign that I have inside my Bing Ads account. This is inside my Bing Ads account. This is where I'm going to be adding my ad, and in less than 60 seconds, I've added my campaign inside my Bing Ad account. And that's how simple it is for you to use our Bing Bang Profit software without doing any research. You have all the information right here. Then you can go and start adding winning keywords from that specific category or niche that you were looking for. First, you need to go through the Bing competition, and then you come out and explore the keywords that are working for that specific campaign or campaigns that you found on the previous tab, which is huge because this is cutting your time in half in finding what works. But using my strategies and training, you're going to have also winning keywords that I've already provided for you inside. Now, this tool is going out now to find the keywords that you can be adding into your account, and you can start filtering out the ones that you want and don't want. So for example, if I wanted to go ahead and choose over 1,000 searches, I want to pay less than $1 on each click, I want to have impressions over 1,000, maybe I want my clicks to be over 100 clicks for each keyword that has been done. My click-through rate, I want it to be over 1%, and just, and I'll just do that, and this will just filter out the keywords that I want. That's very targeting, and all I got to do is just go ahead and add them directly into my survey, adding whatever bid that I want and choosing any match type that I want, and then just specifically adding them inside my account. That's how you get in. Now, there's some keywords that I've already added. That's why I'm getting the errors. Other than that, the rest have been added properly, and I'll show you what it looks like inside our ads account. When you push it over to Bing Ads, you don't need to even come back to Bing Ads since you'll be using our software. At the same time, it's going to be adding keywords, and it's going to be creating your ads, and as many as you want in any ad group that you've created. It's pretty powerful, and this is what Bing Bang Profits does. I've got the training that you can become a CPA affiliate marketer using my strategies, and plus the software doing it automatically and instantly in less than 60 seconds. Once you've gone through all my training, you'll be able to create ads just like this, and they're winning ads. Trust me, they convert, they work, and you'll be able to generate leads, conversions, and plus any type of commissions in any niche possible. Okay, this is Bing Bang Profits. I hope you enjoyed this demo, and I'll talk to you inside.